Eyo abusuane so yama wakwaba Edba Feel Good Services so. Na se mu ho no me hu videos and the pictures be of a young man or abuse enkra and as young as 3 months old. Some of these pictures are very graphic. Into the end to me and show our channel so but me person me show na yesua bibi e fa pedophiles ho and as a pedophilia ho. We bibi a ekoso ewo emiahodo bebre etai esi na me no aka about abuse ho pay. You know, I'm not going to talk too much about the effects of abuse, on the kids, but we're going to talk about pedophilia as a subject on its own. And I say, a dem pana etimi bi adwemu e ma nitimi ye bibi etesa wadwe ho pay no wadwe ho so say a handful so na ya na etaye enioma etesa de di kai me person who say we eye bibi a eye adwemu yare na eya na bidum ka se o me ka se bukoy program bi or High Life Radio na bra me ya no bi so look at him he's using books to justify stupidity. No, it is not us using books to justify stupidity, but this is where we have to let people understand and know the extent of these things and also say the causes of some of these things. So when somebody has the sexual arousal or fantasy for a child, right, or any of those that leads to sexual behaviors of anyone 14 or below, then that person is considered to be a pedophile. But it doesn't just have to be somebody who is 14, man, because a human God is very sickening for you to even hear about it. So for us to be able to classify and I said diagnose the person, the perpetrator has to be someone who is 16 years and above, and also in a relationship with someone now 5 years older. And you know the victim will be someone who is about 11 years, and the perpetrator will be someone about 16 and or above. But the problem they say baby here any age limit and the technicalities per se. But the thoughts say be o papa penimu, mame penimu na ne kondo emofra. E baby na ya na ye dwen say o emema ana eya eye. Debi eya de eba no so eka ho. Enti no pedophiles no eya na enye mema nko a. Ema so eye perpetrators. And you know, apart from the gender and all of that, so what shall swan, who say perpetrators, you be either a relative and I say a friend of the family. And you know, either say, oh yeah, obusiani, ne mame, ne papa, ne offer, ne auntie, and also say ne bra penny, and also say a busiano, a danfo. Enti obia abofrado ehu ne so oh we de me offer and also we de me papa downfo enti maninya sa gidie no ewo oni kro ne mu enti abra sa gidie no I establish no afide obehu na wafa so na oye no ayaka de ye was stage bi a ye friend grooming stage a grooming stage ne ye ebra oni kro no ahya ase na afide odada abofrado. Until the woman said, the said they try to build the trust with the kid, In building the trust with the kid, or to turn your mama, or yena do ye or befano de nepie, or may ye see a mouth. Until a bro, yes, I know money in ano, and my boyfriend who said, oh, papa way, oh, mammy way, dear, or pema sempao. Until Saji dear no, a building equanano. Now, after the Edimuno started and then they care about sexuality, who I said. Enti no on sha se prekope enye se oyi hu na menhwe na mo no bo se one ne beka enamu ehu nsem kakra enti abra one ne ka no one ne edidi hu komo nyina no no prepe akra na dwen no for something later enti afide eguso na senso a text messages ene WhatsApp messages adoso no bon se na kwa ese onye send me picture we send wo happen me e wo no fu na ye kesi se wo no fu na si o se oh enti bon se no ahya ahye na oka about the person's appearance ne nipa ban ene ne body parts ene ade enti one sa abofra no ekeka sanse mu nyina no bon sa fido hia na no start ede no ho ekeka no no de ne sa ekeka no Sa dubadie nyina abekọ so obohu na afi de wa hye ase eneneda. Enti no from the stages where they start the grooming no or start say ototo ne mama no one ne didi hu nkomo one ne ka mu asem no. Sa bre no na wo se awofo yema yeni eda ho no. Menka se so obi efi ni yem aye papa mo obi a na chese se bi owo ho na makono bi ede man no da bi enya sa na mepa che. But the mepa che ni se sa nneoma we se no no. Eye bibi a omotai ede hyase. Ebi wono so ya na teacher for enti oba be extra classes obeba na eja abofra ne nko ama no. Ede no ne ne ye ede no ne ne ka yenim. Na se no edwumadie akwakodoso as parents no yenwumadie akwakodoso enti tembia no ebi ebekọ adwuma ye mantem enti abofra no fi school ba na abeka ono nko ana se teacher ni befie na ono nko ehye ho no na o kire na de ana ye onipa bu gidie to the extent so say mpo no abofra no se bibi ikoso na se oba na one awofo no ebeka impempi eya na yenje emmofra no endi enti waba beka se oh ma say na auntie we say catch me o say no ne meye ubo say near brushing it off, especially when it's the initial phases na akoye inappropriate comments na de no oh jai agro no nudi oh jai uncle we dey sa na otie there be sa na otie na enye normal enkomo bi sa nya enkomo a ye ne enkredi. And you know, if you are even in your 30s and having such a conversation with someone in their mid-teens, it is inappropriate, right? And you know, apart from anything I'm going to say, if it's no, I don't want us to hang on the technicalities of the age because the gap no crampono sometimes makes it very inappropriate. But some your way, a new ma, a cosu bebre, yen fire ni enko. If you more, I'm here who say the symptoms, you know, and also said the wire and for ASA neomano, it can be likened to stuff like OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder. Many way the home commodity that. It can also be likened to addiction. Say obi wo addictive behavior be, and also say obi a or antisocial personality disorder. And also many wo the home commo edda. And you know, somebody with that pedophilia tendencies, you know, is someone that also can be likened to these symptoms because of the impulse control or immunity. Also, no, so the social neurologically now or my dream now, there are some most cases deformities, and I also said there are some problems with the brain formation, the way our brain air formed, you know, and kasa. And no some problems in so no a contributing factor to why a ma obi a pedophile. Another thing so important in say obi a ya abuse ni pay. Eya na etai eba say ono so no ebe abuser. Enti na say eba ne say udi abofra bi edem udi abofra bi enya eya hu say bio enkwesi abofra no nko aso. It can continue and have ripple effects on so many other people. It's a anything they say that population is a vulnerable population. It's a say ye baba ye ni eku omo ye pa. Se be ya sanyo ma wenyina no ento omo na afede eche no emfa oha bebre embre in the community. Enkrofo so a no motai abusers no so no. Sometimes sometimes na ebia omo enya traumatic brain injury epe TBI enti no say bia osha na ni tibo fem ana so say onya accident ana so say akwehie bi to no enti no ma na dwen no the way na SSC forming normally no ankoyesa sa nyoma we nyina esisi ewo abofra bi ebremu a bibia ema no eba se the way of a function, the way of acting no crampono, na eto esi. Enti na hu hia. It is extremely important that we take care of our kids very well. Say they don't get exposed to all of this. The other thing also PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder. Enti obia why exposed to some level of trauma. Enti say if a kid is victimized, definitely that is traumatic enough. Right? And also say bibi esi ewa abofra na ebremu man no so traumatic ma sa abofra no enti ebeba ebra onyi no utimu se enoma bi wono ma ehalo perpetrators no so ye obi a ebia sebe ne humanim no anase na disuamu enya humanim pese na disuamu no enya dia ekon campi enti wo se sacrifice crap na bra no mo school no it's likely they were repeated because intellectually no omo enya de enti no sadu ma we nyina se wo se ebi ewo obi mu na se wo se o sha ase adansu ba bi sa dia eya moma ye ni enko ho na ye ntumi empemwa ema onikro no because bibia etimi ekoso na eha adwen paye right enti the sadu ma we nioma bi a me pese enne yetimi dwendwen ho. Yes, it is a mental health disorder, but it is also a crime to commit that act. Say, to say the obi was schizophrenia, and only a yari a wohonom, you bet my show, you bet my boy, you bet my salmon. No moment, say, Banner say, what do you do bonibi? What do you call ye, or how be dear? It goes beyond it being a mental health condition and it becomes a criminal act. And you know, please, this is not a justification for you committing a crime. Enti se odebe o sabeka abofrabi anasa obeye abofrabi ayaya de next anaso se wosu nim se bibisa eto abofrabi no mehyamo wenye busuasem wenye feri asem yese se kokram amfere se besi ohwere so a onso onfere se ode asawa ebetare so enti se bibisa asi a mehyamo memeye mfere ho se yebekasa ho me ye fere ho say ye de be ma police for because banasana it is a criminal activity and it has to be treated as such. Me da say enenso waken ho subscribe to your channel is wonye ya ebrebia no ye de adisuade foforo ebebro enadwumade no so happy glow and the braye a nail spa and beauty salon ewo Ashoman Accra so onyanko ho no ma ko na bedi ho adanse me da